afternoon, teacher. My name is Chef Nidan. I am in grade 1B. I work in hotel and I love cooking. I have some advice for you. Don't eat junk food. They are not good for our body. Eat lots of healthy food. They are good for our body. You know what I have got for you? Salad. Eat healthy, live long. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher and all my friends. I am a Siddharth Tanwar, studying in Dalmia High School, grade 1B. I wish to become a policeman when I grow up. I will serve my country. I promise to keep my country safe. I will maintain law and order, good health and fitness is essential for him. He arrest thieves, he blind for bus. He wear khaki uniform, cap and black shoes. He carries small stick and small gun. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Gopal Krishna Jaglani. Today I will say about what I want to become when I grow up. I want to become an engineer when I grow up. I will make machine to help doctors to find bacteria and germs from our bodies. This will help to find diseases like corona, dengue, etc. at early stages, and many more machines to help doctors so humans can live disease-free life. Thank you. Myself, David Kataria. I am a student of NL Dalmia School, class 1B. I wish to become an entrepreneur when I grow up. Entrepreneur. Own big business. I would like to do construction business. By doing this, I will be able to create many jobs and thus contribute to society and my nation. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Kamil Tiwale. I wish to become a pilot when I grow up. Thank you. And about community helpers. They are people who live and work in our community. They do many things to help us. Community helpers are doctor, teacher, firefighter and police, etc. Today I am speaking a role about doctor. Doctors help of his tools, medicine and knowledge treat patient. They play very important role to keep us fit and healthy.
Hello everybody, I am Arjun Nair from class 1B. I want to become a firefighter when I grow up. Firefighters wear big yellow hats, climb up ladders to rescue cats, drive big trucks with big black tires, use big hoses to spray fires, race when they hear fire alarms to keep people safe from harm. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My
name is Arshad Mishra. My aim in life is to become a scientist. My role model is our former president, Abdul Kalam. There are many environmental issues such as global warming, pollution, and so on. I want to focus my mind on studying the root cause of such issues and find a solution to these issues as a scientist in future. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aditya Bukidkar from grade 1B division. I want to become a soldier when I grow up. I am very brave and strong. I am always ready to fight for my country. I protect my country from enemies. The safety of my country is my most important duty. I am proud of my country. I love my India. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Rayan Singh. I am from class 1B. I wish to become a designer architect because it is an interesting field. I will provide shelter to poor people. I will do drawings of strong and big buildings, dams, bridge, school, hospital, beautiful garden. All these are very important. I will serve my country and my people. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. My name is Devansh Khanna. I would love to share my dream of becoming a chef. A chef is a person who cooks tasty food in hotels and restaurants. My dream is to become a chef because I like eat food and I enjoy how food makes people happy and watch their smiling faces. A chef has to be clean and tidy and active all the time. A chef's responsibility is to prepare healthy food, also which is good for health. My favorite food will be Indian and Chinese. My dream is to open my own restaurants and serve tasty food. When I become a chef, I will also feed it to the needy people. Finally, I would say a recipe has no soul as a chef, but I love to bring soul on recipe. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Ansh Pandey. I want to become an IAS, that is Officer in Indian Administrative Services, because I love my country. An IAS officer can bring positive changes in society. This profession contributes greatly in social welfare like in education and health. I love helping others and this job will give me this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Samra Chandilya and today I am going to tell you what I want to become when I grow up. I want to become a rocket scientist when I grow up. My ideal is Dr. Abdul Kalam. My rocket will be easy to make and will be cost effective. My rocket will take children and common people to the moon for a ride. I think that I will be a best rocket scientist in ISRO. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Shahrukh Gupta. When I grow up, I want to become a doctor because I want to serve my country. By helping poor people, I will educate people
class 1C. I am for class 1B. Today I am going to say what I will become in future. I want to become a soldier. Indian Army is the part of India. They contribute itself to the safety and unity of India. Indian Army is the third biggest force of in the world.
सावधान विश्राम सावधान विश्राम सावधान
Jai Maharashtra, Jai Hind. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher and friends. Today I'm gonna tell you about what I'm gonna become when I grow up. When I grow up, I'm gonna become a scientist. A scientist is a person who asks questions and observes and wonders. They conduct experiments and explore the world around them. They listen to ideas and share new ideas. My favorite scientist is Benjamin Franklin, who invented electricity. When I grow up, I want to make new things. When I grow up. Thank you.
मन्ना मन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. Hello everyone, I am Arun Tripathi and I chose to be a policeman. I wear khaki uniform, khaki cap and a strong black shoes. I carry a small stick in my hand and a gun in my pocket. We are always on roads to protect you 24/7 for all 365 days. When you all celebrate festivals at your home happily, we leave our family and we are on duty for your safety. We are brave as lion and strong as diamond. If you have any emergency, you can call us on 100. In this corona period, please follow the rules of wearing mask, maintaining social distancing, and in small interval of time, wash your hands with soap. Behave like a responsible citizen. Nahitar atta maji satakli. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Jaya Sarvadia. I study in Anandalme High School. I'll become a doctor when I grow up. I would like to become a doctor because I want to help people around me. I want to do good for all of mankind. I can help poor people that do not receive any medical care. I know to be a doctor is not easy, but now I study very hard. I hope my dream will be true. Thank you. Good day, everyone. Good day, everyone. When I grow up, I want to become a doctor. Dr. Deepa Mehta. There are many types of doctors like dentist, physician, surgeon and ENT. I want to become a physician. This is my thermometer. I used to check patient's body temperature. Let's check. Oh, it is 101. It is high. I want to gain exhaustion. See, this is my exhaustion. Let's take some medicine. Ew, don't cry, patient. You are fine soon. Now I will check patient's mouth. This is my torch. I used to check patient's mouth. oximeter. I used to check patients' oxygen and pulse. Oxygen is 98 and pulse is 74. You are safe from coronavirus. But remember, you want to eat healthy food, regular exercise and sleep well.